In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Calendar invites by email. This is a super handy skill for coordinating meetings or events with colleagues, friends, or family. Let's get started by heading over to the Google Calendar website. If you open your web browser and type in Google Calendar but haven't bookmarked it yet, no problem. When the search results come up, just click on the first link that pops up. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar page. Now, if you're not already signed into your Google account, this is where you'll need to enter your email address. Type it in carefully to make sure there are no mistakes. After that, click on the next button and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Add your password in the space provided and click on next again. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your calendar view where you can start creating events. To initiate a new event, move your cursor to the left-hand side of the page and click on the create button. You'll see an option to select the type of entry you want to create, including event. Go ahead and click on event. This opens a new window where you will set up all the details for your new event. In this new window, the first thing you'll want to do is give your event a name. Be concise yet descriptive so that your guests know exactly what the event is about. Once you've entered the event name, you'll see an option to add guests on the right side. Click on there and a field will appear for you to input the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. Simply type your guests' email addresses, separating each with a comma if you have more than one, and your invitees will be added as guests to the event. After adding the necessary email addresses, you're nearly done. Make sure to click on the Save button. This is important as it ensures all your changes are stored. Once you've saved, a prompt will appear asking whether you want to send out the invitations via email. Click on the Send button and your invites will be sent off to the emails you entered earlier. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully sent a Google Calendar invite by email. Perfect for organizing your next meeting or social event. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content.